Okay, end of this good afternoon business. Please stop messaging and sending good afternoon and good evening messages. Let's focus on studies now. Good afternoon, everyone. Now stop sending messages, please. Instead of that, please focus on what I'm teaching you all. You have to take the right statement and you have to put a cross against the wrong statement. So the first statement, let's start with Vanchita today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the first sentence, please read.
Puffy could sing fast.
So what is the answer? Right or wrong?
Ma'am, wrong.
Yes, Puffy was rather a slow swimmer. She used to swim very slow. So the first statement is wrong. Okay. Second one, Suryansh.
Puffy could inflate her body.
Right or wrong?
Ma'am, right.
Right. Puffy could inflate her body. She could swell. वो अपनी body को फुला सकती थी. She could inflate her body. It is right. Okay. The third one, Saransh.
Puppy was a small fish.
Okay.
Right.
Right or wrong?
Ma'am, this is right.
This is right.
Ma'am, right.
Puffy was a small fish. Okay. This is right. Good. Put a tick mark. Okay. Let's come to Mohak now. The D one.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Puffy
Yes, ma'am.
could
What are you
blow.
supposed to do? Huh.
Puffy could blow herself up to thrice her size.
Right or wrong? Right or wrong? Mohak,
Ma'am, is it
right or
wrong?
it is wrong. She could blow herself only twice the size. Dugna, not tigna. It is only twice her size and not the thrice. So this is again wrong. Coming to E1, Abul.
Puffy was a slow learner.
Puffy was a slow learner, right or wrong? Did she learn slowly or quickly?
Ma'am, wrong.
Wrong. She was a quick learner. She learned how to inflate her body very quickly. So this statement is again wrong. And then coming to Rajbir, this one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What? Yes, ma'am. Read. Are what? Yes, ma'am. Read the sentence. What is everybody doing? You will also do the same thing. No. Read the sentence.
When Puffy when Puffy was older, she was able to protect herself from large fish.
Okay. When Puffy was older, she was able to herself to protect from large fishes. Right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong. When Puffy grew older, she was able to protect herself or not?
Ma'am, right.
This right. This shows how concentrate you are in the class. When I will give you marks for class presentation, I'll give you zero because you don't have your mind in the class. Yesterday we had discussed the entire story and I gave you all the homework and you have first of all you have not done the homework because you don't know which sentence you are doing and what is the answer of the sentence.
Ma'am, I have done the homework.
Then why have you done wrong? Don't you know that when she grew older, she was able to protect herself by inflating her body? Very bad. Now the second one, take the correct answer. There is a question and there are two options. You have to tick on the correct option. Okay. Mishti,
Yes, ma'am.
read question.
What scared away the big fish who came to attack Puffy?
So what is the option number A? Please read option number A.
The presence of Puffy's mother. Number
Or the B
B,
part? Hmm.
the big size of Puffy's body.
So what? Why? How was the big fish scared? By option A, by option B?
By option B.
Option B. Because Puffy inflated her body, so the big fish got scared and she ran away. So tick on the option B, the big size of Puffy's body. Okay, now coming to answer the following questions, I had given you all this as homework. You have to write the answers. Mishti, please mute yourself. You have to write the answers either in the book or you were supposed to do it in the rough copy. Why did the question number three? Sorry, exercise three, question number A. Why did Puffy's mothers always stay by her side? Okay, Ansh. Why did Puffy's mother always stay by her side? Ansh,
Yes, ma'am.
Ansh, please tell the answer.
Puffy's mother always stayed side by side to protect Puffy from big fishes.
To protect Puffy from big fishes and also because she was a slow swimmer. Now, what you will do is, I'm telling you the correct answers. Children, listen because I'm not going to repeat the instructions again, especially you, Ane, because you're lost somewhere. So please listen what I'm telling you. I am telling you all the correct answers. Please write it somewhere in the rough copy or in the book itself, wherever you have space. And in your homework, you will first write the story in the notebook in the fair copy. You will write the story. Puffy was a small fish Silekar. She shouted to her mother. The full story you will write. And after that, you will write question number A. Why did Puffy's mother always stay by her side? And then the correct answer. Then draw the line. Then question B, then question C. Only three questions you will do. You will not do tick the correct statement and tick the correct answer. Exercise 1 and 2 nahi karenge. You will only do exercise 3 in your fair copy. So right now I am telling you the correct answers. Write it in your rough copy. Abhi jaldi se rough copy mein likh lo. And in your homework, because you have Saturday, Sunday as holiday, you only have computer class tomorrow. So in your homework, you will write the story. It will increase your writing skill. You will write the story in the English language copy and then do these three questions in the fair copy. Anybody wants to ask anything? समझ में आया? किसी को कुछ पूछना? Anybody
Ma'am,
who's
your
confused?
voice is cracking.
My voice is cracking because there is network issue at your place. Try and focus, you will understand. And mute yourselves. Like Mohak has not muted himself. Your homework will be, you will write the unseen passage in the copy and then you are going to solve the three questions. You're going to solve all the three questions in the fair copy. Right now I'm telling you the correct answers. You can write it in your rough notebook or if you have space you can write in the book. अब समझ में आया? Anybody wants to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
Anybody?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
क्या पूछो? Yes, Mohak, what do you want to ask? Nothing. Okay. Chalo, then I am telling you the correct answer. Quickly take out a rough copy and start writing. Answer A says, the question is, why did Puffy's mother always stay by her side? The answer is, Puffy's mother always stayed by her side so as to no okay. Puffy's mother always stayed by her side to protect no always stayed by her side because she was a slow swimmer. Puffy's mother always stayed by her side because she was a slow swimmer. I have sent the answer. You can see from the message box and write also. Quickly write it somewhere in the rough copy. Later in your homework, you will write the story and question answers in fair copy. Abhi jaldi se write it in your rough copy so that you have answers with you. Puffy's mother always stayed by her side because she was a slow swimmer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Abul.
Ma'am, I have already done the question answers.
Where in fair copy?
Yes, ma'am.
So you do one thing, just check your spellings and everything, and but you have not written the story. So what you will do is you will write story on a piece of paper and you will stick it in your fair copy. Okay?
Ma'am.
And you can check your spellings and grammar, everything. If it is fine, just check from the answer that I have sent. If it is not fine, erase it off and write the correct answer. And Adiba, Adiba, there, now. Why did Puffy's
Ma'am,
mother
Adiba is
always
muted.
let her mute herself only? She doesn't know the time of class. She doesn't know what she's supposed to speak. She's absent-minded and lost somewhere. It's okay. Let her be
Excuse
like
me,
that.
ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, after Puffy, we have to.
We have to put a inverted comma. I know, but I have
Ma'am, we put.
forgot. I have said. I am sending it again. Wait, wait. I have sent. It is Puffy's. You have to put apostrophe s. I forgot to put it. It is Puffy's mother always stayed by her side because she was a slow swimmer. Okay. Now coming to answer number B. What special quality did Puffy have? What special quality did Puffy have? Okay. Shreyansh Verma, please tell the answer. What special quality did Puffy have?
Ma'am,
Shreyansh, can you hear?
ma'am, ma'am, your voice is not.
Even I cannot hear your voice. There is some network issue at your place, Shreyansh. Even your voice is breaking a lot. It's okay. You can give the answer later. Sanjeevni, please tell the answer.
Puffy has a special feat that she can blow up like huge balloons.
Puffy has a special quality that she can inflate her body like a big balloon. I'm sending the answer. You can write it somewhere if you have not written. Puffy has a special quality that she can inflate her body like a big balloon. Puffy has a special quality that she can inflate her body like a big balloon. Write it somewhere in the rough copy right now and later you can do it fair. Adiba, can you please hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the matter wrong with you, Adiba? At what time the class starts? Class कितने बजे शुरू होती है? कितने क्लास शुरू होती है? Will you please answer me or I am going to remove you from this meeting now? Quickly answer me back when I am asking you something. आप ऐसे चुप नहीं बैठ सकती हैं. मैम आपसे कुछ पूछ रही है, प्लीज आंसर दीजिए. कितने बजे क्लास स्टार्ट होती है आपकी? आप नहीं जवाब देंगी अदीबा? कितने बजे क्लास शुरू होती है आपको पता है? अदीबा यस और नो में आंसर दे सकती हैं आप? एट व्हाट टाइम योर क्लास स्टार्ट्स?
मैम एट 2.
एंड एट व्हाट टाइम हैव यू जॉइंड योर क्लास? कितने बजे आपने ज्वाइन किया? इट इज योर डेली बिजनेस. डेली आपका यही है, आपका जब मन होता है तब क्लास ज्वाइन करती हैं. कभी 2:15 पे, कभी 2:10 पे, कभी 2:20 पे. जब आपका मन होता है आप तब क्लास ज्वाइन करेंगी. और मैं अगर आपको एंट्री नहीं दे रही हूँ तो आप मुझे बार 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 क्लास भी ज्वाइन करने को कह रही हैं. कितनी बार मैंने आपसे कहा है, इट इज ओनली 5 minutes grace that I'm going to give you. You always join the class late whenever you feel like. कभी 2:15 पे, कभी 2:20 पे, ऐसे नहीं चल पाएगा. स्कूल में आप कभी भी आती थी या सुबह जब स्कूल लगता था तभी आती थी? ऐसे तो नहीं था ना कि 10 बजे स्कूल आती थी, 11 बजे स्कूल आती थी. Answer number B says Puffy has a special quality that she can inflate her body like a big balloon. Now, I hope all of you have written. Coming to question number C. How can you say that Puffy had grown older? How can you say that Puffy had grown older? Okay. Who can tell? Okay, Shreyansh, can you please tell the answer? Shreyansh, can you please tell the answer? Ansh, can you tell the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Please tell the answer to question number C. How can you say that Puffy had grown older?
We said that Puppy had a grown older when she was able to protect herself.
Very good. We can say that Puffy had grown older when she was able to protect herself from a big fish. Remember, a big fish came to eat her up and she quickly inflated her body, and this big fish got scared and she ran away. This is how it is shown that Puffy had grown older. We can say that Puffy had grown older when she was able to protect herself from a big fish.
And please send the answer.
I am sending. Wait, you cannot write without seeing. You're still a class KG and 1 child. Everything you have to see from the board and write. I'm speaking also, no? At least you start writing. We can say that Puffy had grown older when she was able to protect herself from a big fish. I've sent the answer, you all can check. We can say that Puffy had grown older when she was able to protect herself from a big fish. Quickly finish it off. We can say that Puffy had grown older when she was able to protect herself from a big fish. Okay. I hope all of you have written the answers. I'm once again repeating the question homework. You have to write the story in your English language copy and then do these three questions in your fair notebook. Now, I would like to discuss with you all about Independence Day. You all know Independence Day is coming. It is on 15th of August. So tell us what you know about Independence Day. All of you can tell one or two lines, and in the next English class, we will write a small essay on Independence Day. So all of you can tell me one or two lines. You have functions at school. You must be celebrating at home as well. Like this year, you won't be able to come to school, but you have attended two or three functions at school. So you can tell me what do you know about Independence Day. You can share your information. Okay, we'll start with Yash.
Ma'am, what is the last
Yes,
question?
these were the three questions only, Abul. You must be having an English language book with you. There are only three questions, no?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the
Yes.
answer of last
I have,
question?
why you were not there in the meeting, I have sent the answer. Can't you see it in your message box? Can you see the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why are you asking again and again? Okay, okay, just start. Please tell me something about Independence Day.
Ma'am,
Anything you can give the introduction. What is Independence Day? When it is celebrated? When did India got its independence? How
ma'am,
you celebrate it? Tell me one or two lines. Okay.
ma'am, on this day we have got independence from creative government,
From which government?
British government, ma'am,
Okay, on
British
this day,
government,
okay, British government. On this day, India got its independence from British rule. It is not government, it was Britishers who used to rule on us. So on this day, we got independence from the British rule. Okay, good. Okay, Ane, you tell one line quickly. Abul, please mute yourself. When do you celebrate Independence Day?
Ma'am, 20.
Bolo.
Hmm.
You can just tell we celebrate our Independence Day on which day you celebrate? Quickly tell.
Ma'am,
नहीं पता है. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August every year. You come to school, you have flag hosting at school. When is that done? On 15th August. So please say
we have celebrate Independence Day with the 15 of October.
with 15 of October. Acha. If you
15
would have
August.
been in front of me, I would have given you a tight one. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Now, can you hear me clearly? And now, please repeat the sentence after me. Chalo, repeat karo.
We celebrate Independence Day on 15th August.
August. Now, I hope you will remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Abul, please you tell. When did India got its independence? In which year? Abul, Abul, can you hear me? Anybody who can tell me when did India got its independence? In which year?
Ma'am, 1947. Ma'am,
1947.
1947.
Okay. India got its independence on 15th August 1947. Okay. Now, Mishti, please tell us something more about Independence Day. Mishti, can you please hear me? Mishti,
Yes, ma'am.
please tell us something more about Independence Day.
This day we remember the great struggle of freedom. This day we remember the sacrifices of our great freedom fighters.
Okay, very good. On this day, it is remarked. It is the remembrance of the freedom fighters. We remember them. We salute them. We pay them gratitude on this day. We thank those freedom fighters who actually fought for us, who fought for India for its independence. Okay. Avantika, can you name some freedom fighters? Avantika,
Yes, ma'am.
can you name few freedom fighters? Do you know names of freedom fighters who fought for India's independence? Can you name one or two freedom fighters?
Ma'am, Gandhi ji.
Very good, Mahatma Gandhi. And there's a lot of movies also. You must have Subhash Chandra Bose. Very good. And one more. Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad. There are so many freedom fighters. You can search on Google. There are so many freedom
Ma'am,
fighters. You
Pandit
can ask your
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, very good. You can ask your grandparents if you have grandparents at home. You can ask your parents. You can ask your neighbors. You can look on Google. There were so many freedom fighters who actually fought, who actually struggled for the independence of India, and that is why we are living. We are blessed to live in this independent India today. Otherwise, if they would have not taken this step, if they would have not come forward to fight for India's independence, then it might be possible that even today we were ruled by the Britishers. So it was actually the freedom fighters who fought for India's independence, and that is why we people are blessed that we are living in an independent India. We are free to do whatever we feel like. Imagine somebody is ruling upon us, they are guiding us, ye mat karo, ye karo. How would have we felt? Okay. Now coming to Sanjeevni. Sanjeevni, can you please tell us more about Independence Day?
Yes, ma'am. Our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi do flag hosting on
Ve-
Independence Day.
Very good. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi or any Prime Minister who is in the existence hosts flag on the Independence Day. Very good. What else, Sanjeevni? Salutes to the flag. They host the flag on every Independence Day to celebrate
Ma'am,
Independence
we,
Day.
ma'am, we all sing the national anthem of our country.
Very good. We all sing national anthem of India, of our country on Independence Day to pay gratitude, to pay honor to the country. In the honor of the country, we all sing national anthem after the flag hosting ceremony is done. Okay, good. Shreyansh, can you please tell us something more?
Ma'am, from there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi. In addition, the army performs many takes that also include a march past,
March
culture
past,
program,
March past, you don't read at home. You are just reading what is coming to your mind. Task nahi, it is task. The army performs various tasks, among which is the march past. It is done at the Red Fort. What you are reading very good, but you are not able to read only what you are reading. The content is good, but you are not able to read only because you all don't practice reading at home. Now, I am very happy that this time in PA2 you all have projects, and in those projects, like in English, you have a lot of reading only. So let me see how you will not read. If you will not read, you will get zero. 10 marks ka only it will be written assessment, 20 marks it is your project. And I'm all the more happy to give you all zero because you all don't read and no reading means zero because each and every work of the project is based on reading. You have to read a story, you have to make a video, you have to act like what are the favorite characters there. Everything is upon reading. You don't read in the entire project, you will get zero. I'm very happy. I give you all zero. My work will be less than because you all will not read, all the work will go in vain. So every year the army performs various tasks, among which is that one of which is that they do march past at the Red Fort. Okay. Now, Ansh,
We do on Independence Day.
what? What are you saying?
We do march on Independence
Okay.
Day.
Okay. Rajiv, Rajveer, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohak, Rajveer, please tell us something about Independence Day. Where do you go? Do you all leave the class and go somewhere or what? 10 times I have to shout your name. And why are the cameras switched off today? Is there something special today? Did I ask you all to switch off your cameras?
No, ma'am.
Adiba, did I ask you to switch off your camera? Rajvi, please tell us something about Independence Day.
Ma'am, at Independence Day, we
How do you celebrate your Independence Day at school, at home? You can share that experience also.
Ma'am, at school, we celebrate Independence Day.
कैसे celebrate कर रहे हो? What do you do at school? Tell any one thing. On the Independence Day, on the
Ma'am,
particular Independence Day,
Independence Day, we do any activity, ma'am.
what kind of
Making,
activity? That is what I'm saying. What activity? Tell any one activity. क्या activity होती है?
we do song on
That is
Independence.
what I'm saying. On the Independence Day, we sing patriotic songs. You sing songs, no, that are based on your country. You have so many songs you do on you sing on Independence Day. Those are known as patriotic songs. Patriotic means it is related to your country. So yes, you can say at school we sing patriotic songs and we celebrate Independence Day. Okay. What else? Mohak, Suryansh.
Ma'am, Independence Day is the national festival in India.
It is a sorry, it is a national festival of India. It is celebrated across India. There are certain festivals that are celebrated only at some parts of the India. But this Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, these are the national festivals of India. They are celebrated all across the India. All across means पूरे India may be celebrated all over the India. It is a national festival of India. Okay, Saransh,
Just before one day of our independence, Pakistan gained independence on 14 August 1947.
okay, this is a good information. We all must know that Pakistan also got its independence just one day before India got, that is on 14th August 1947. But when we are talking about our Independence Day, how we celebrate it, when we are talking about our country, so I don't think we need to include this line, but then it is a very good information because most of us was not knowing that when did Pakistan got its Independence Day. So they got their Independence Day they got their independence just before India got it. That is, they got it on 14th August 1947 and India got it on 15th August 1947. But we will not mention this line because we are talking about our country, so let us just not include them. Otherwise, it was a good and a relevant information. Now, coming to Vanchita.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Uh,
Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. Every year we celebrate it with a proud and we thanks to the freedom fighters.
okay, we celebrate this day with proud and we feel very happy and delighted when we celebrate this day. We sing national anthems, we say Jai Hind, we host our national flag on this day. Adiba, Adiba,
Yes,
please tell us something about Independence Day. बताओ आप 15 अगस्त को स्कूल आती हो, इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट करती हो, क्या करती हो?
ma'am.
क्या करते हो बोलो? स्कूल में इंडिपेंडेंस डे वाले दिन क्या करती हो? व्हेन इज इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेटेड? कब सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है? अदीबा, व्हेन इज इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेटेड? कब सेलिब्रेट करते हैं इंडिपेंडेंस डे? अभी तो इतने सब बच्चों ने बताया, तुम सुन नहीं रही थी? वेरी गुड. Okay, we'll meet after 10 minutes for the English class. Please be ready with your science book when you join the class. Please be ready with your science book and your science copies. We'll discuss the homework that I have given you all. Okay? Bye bye. Bye for now.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.